Ito po ay, and let me congratulate Engineer Felipe Lingan. Is he still around? Sir, anong position mo, sir? And then dito, pakigamit ko lang. Importante to kasi usually sa hearing napapagalitan lang eh. Paminsan-minsan naman ang pasalamatan namin yung ginawa yung tamang trabaho niya. So sir, you retired as?
Sir, I'm Engineer Peli sir.
Okay.
I'm already retired in the Woolwich last year. I am the project engineer of that project from the start until my retirement.
So what's your position when you made that report?
I am the government project engineer.
Then by the time you retired, were you promoted?
No, sir. Yes, just April of last year, sir.
The reason I ask is at least preliminary. Tingin ko ikaw ang gumawa ng trabaho mo. Kasi tingin ko na pro-promote yung hindi ginagawa trabaho nila. Tapos yung gumagawa ng trabaho niya, hindi na-promote. So, you made this report. Ang sabi ng report nito, Mr. Secretary, the deck slab has shifted horizontally by approximately 100 millimeters as manifested in the adjoining expansion joint of span 7 and 8. Second, the said horizontal displacement of slab has caused tilting on both columns of Pier 8 and significant cracks. Hindi lang cracks, significant cracks were observed along the side of the columns where tension was induced by shifting of deck slab. The bolts connecting the main steel girder to the arch structure near Pier 7 were all snapped due to severe shear. The outermost steel cross beam at Pier 7 was deformed or buckled, and the 25 mm steel rope and brace at also snapped. 2018 pa lang yan, Sec.